Have you ever turned on the news and heard that a particular country is having a war or that a disaster like erosion or flood is happening to them? It is okay if you haven't, but many people are suffering from different things happening to their country. I am sure you'll be wondering where God is when His people are suffering. Well, God isn't blind. He sees and knows all that is happening. Sometimes He uses all this suffering to bring His children closer to Him. Imagine your mommy called you 3 times and you didn't hear her because your mind was fixed on television. And because she wants to draw your attention to her, she turns off the television. That is the same thing God does to His children sometimes, to remind them to pay attention to Him. Joachim disobeyed God, even though Prophet Jeremiah warned him. The people of Egypt encouraged him, so he went against the people of Babylon. God was angry with Joachim, so he made other countries attack Judah so that they could learn their lesson. After that, Nebuchadnezzar made Zedekiah the new king of Judah, and after a while, Zedekiah started planning evil against Jerusalem, even though Nebuchadnezzar was his friend. Zedekiah for more than 2 years attacked Babylon, and God allowed it because He wanted His people to learn their lesson. After that, the people got angry and they plucked Zedekiah's eyes and also killed his 2 sons. In conclusion, would you say God was wicked for allowing all these things happen? No, He just wanted His people to learn their lesson and focus on Him again. Thank you and bye for now.